Speaker, I'm so grateful to my friend, Honorable Esther Passaris. She means well. She wants children to go to school free because we have said in our Constitution of free education. That is very, very well understood. The problem is, and that's why I respectfully oppose this motion. The fact is, we say what we don't mean and we mean what we don't say. That's the problem in this country. I think Honorable Kiaria got it very well when you said you can even use a microscopic lens to see what the National Education Ministry does in our constituency. Almost nil. If there is, it's delayed full time. Madam Speaker, as we speak now, the only person who knows the vulnerable segment of our population is a member of parliament. The way I did mine, which also involved full public participation, going to each and every polling center and inviting opinion leaders and those who matter in that constituency, and asking them, who do you think we should take? They give you the list themselves. Some even tell you, no, instead of taking this child, take so-and-so's child, because mine is a bit better. There is nothing better you can get more than that. So I don't know what it is in this country that what is working well, we are not even making better. Instead, we come with other issues that dilute what has been working. But it is clear to me, Madam Speaker, you cannot do something the same way, same time, and you expect a different outcome. It doesn't work. If we were to put all these funds together, we as MPs, the national CDF is not a county, it's not a devolved function. I think one member also got it very right. I think it's scary again. This is a decentralized fund. It's not a devolved fund. So once you have decentralized, how come you bring it back to the mother? Maybe ladies can tell us, when a child is born, you cannot take it back to the womb. You kill the child. It was taken from the national kitty of the Ministry of Education because it was not functioning. Madam Speaker, as we speak now, all the infrastructure, I've never seen, even latrines are collapsing. It is CDF. There is no emergency response from the National Education Ministry in all our constituencies, and this is 290 constituencies we are talking about. The best way to decentralize funds is to use our constituencies, and it is the right thing to do. So, Honorable Passaris, even if we are opposing this, I think maybe translate this motion into a bill that will put all these monies flying everywhere into national CDF. Then we will achieve what we want. Because right now we say there's free basic education, there's none. If children are facing what we call revolving doors, they are in school today, they're out tomorrow. Who meets even the fare to take them home and back is a member of parliament. Lastly, I want to say, the Ministry of Education, sadly enough, is overwhelmed with what we call geopolitics, nepotism, inequitable distribution of resources. That's why there was a genius initiative to have this money be spread across all the 290 constituencies. And that should be perfected, Madam Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I didn't see you coming in. So that should be perfected. We should not be regressing again to what was not working for Kenyans. So I submit that I oppose and respect Honorable Passaris for bringing this motion. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.